Today is day 6 of my hair growth journal, and I wanted to document the process of having a full hair because I know I'm going to get my hair back. And I have different routines in the mornings and in the evenings, and my routine for the next few months will be using minoxidil, tretinoin, and I Derma roll my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys the process. Today is day 6, and I started during the day. I Derma roll my hair. Now this is what I use. I use the 4-in-1 Derma roller. It comes with different hair pins. The one for the hair is the 750 needles. The one for the body is 1200, and they've got another for the eyes. But personally, I don't use the one for the one I use for my hair is the one I use that's got the 1200 needles, and that is for the skin. And it also got a spot where you can sterilize once you're done using. So this is the process of sterilizing it before I use on my hair. I don't necessarily sterilize every time I use my hair. I actually sterilize it just once in a week, and then other times I brush off with the normal water and hairbrush. But today I'm going to sterilize it, on whatever needle I'm using. I just put it in, and then I wait for a little seconds and take it out. That's the process. And because I Derma roll almost every day, I don't put a lot of pressure on the Derma roller. I'm very light and gentle on it. I also do not want it. The process of Derma rolling, I also have to massage my scalp. I had massaged my scalp the whole morning. It's just a toy I hold in my hands, and I try to massage my scalp to create circulation before I Derma roll. That is why I didn't Derma roll in front of the camera, but I have been Derma roll. I have been massaging my scalp with my scalp massage, and I don't roll, I stamp. Stamping helps. Stamping is easier for me, for my scalp, because I do this almost every morning. I don't want to roll. First of all, most times my hair tangles while I roll. I haven't mastered the act of rolling without my hair being tangled, and I'm trying to save the little hairs that are coming out, the baby hairs. So I don't want to Derma roll. I don't want to roll. I want to stamp. Stamping seems to be better for me. And if in the process of you Derma rolling your hair and you feel it's a bit too sore, you can always use an ice water or something black cold, and roll it around the place that feels hurt. But I don't put pressure on mine. I just stamp it. You can see what I'm doing, just to make the absorption of what I'm going to use next, to make it easier and to also help it to penetrate. You also Derma roll on the inside, not just the top. But for me, I want to focus in front of my hair because it will be easier to deal with the back. It has never happened before. This is my first incident, but I've been having issues with my front hair. So I just want to make sure that, first of all, let's deal with the front. It's a bit sore, so I'm massaging it to cool it down. I think it's hot right now. My scalp was a bit sore, so I'm trying to help reduce the pain because of the Derma roll. So I'm done, and I've put back the blade, and I'll leave it there, and then I'll just tell you what next to do. You leave it there for a little while we continue. And so after that, now what I did after I've done my massage is I do spray my hair with leave-in conditioner. Now this leave-in is quite different. It's got the panthenol, still water, and aloe vera gel. I started to use the panthenol because of the benefit it has for my hair. My hair used to be very high porosity, but now it's very low porosity. I think it's because of the panthenol that is that I use every day. The benefit of using the panthenol in your hair moisturizing leave-in is because it moisturizes, it strengthens strands and reduces breakage, and it also helps with reducing frizz. My hair used to have so much frizz, it was terrible, but since I started using the panthenol as a leave-in, it has really helped my hair so much. I'll do another video over time to show you how to know whether you have high porosity or low porosity hair. But for me, with this, I'm just very satisfied. But when you use the leave-in, when you use the panthenol, you need to use it with an oil. So I made this oil. It's made of shea butter, castor oil, and coconut. The reason I use a lot, and I'm going to use it also this evening, is because I usually have wash days. I wash my hair twice a week, and I need my hair to be moisturized. I don't need it to break, dry, or do. I just need my hair to grow. I don't want to cut it. I don't want it to break. So I do use a lot of oils on my hair, and I am, to be honest with you, I'm seeing good results because I wash my hair. It's gonna cause a lot of breakage if you use a lot of oils and you don't wash your hair. But because of I use the leave-in, and that leave-in you need to moisturize, and I use oils to moisturize it because I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. Tomorrow is my wash day. So the oils I use for the strands of my hair is different from the oils I use for the front of my scalp also. There are two different oils. The ones for the hair are heavier, the ones for the front are lighter oils. And the reason I do use those two is because I needed the one for the hair to absorb faster and stronger. So what I use is these are the oils that I use for my hair. I'm going to show them to you. I use peppermint. That's a peppermint oil. Lavender, rosemary. That's rosemary oil. And then I use lavender also, and the tea tree oil. Now these are the oil, and then my carrier oil is castor oil. I prefer castor oil because I think castor oil does more work. I think it's heavier. It's lighter on my hair than coconut. Coconut oil has a way of being all over the place. So I put it into a bottle and I mix them up. I've got different ratios and on the drops of what to use. So, but remember, it's a process. I don't know the outcome yet, so I cannot give any kind of size. I just want to see how it works. So I use that for the front of my scalp once I Derma roll. It helps. The reason I oil my hair is so that it does not dry. When you use things like minoxidil, tretinoin, and an anti-dandruff shampoo, your scalp must be dry. But with these, my scalp doesn't get dry at all. So that is why my routine during the day is different from the routine I have at night. And this is part of it. So that my scalp is able to absorb and doesn't dry out, I use oil once I Derma roll my hair. It has helped to stop dandruff and increase and help maintain the little hairs that are coming out. Now I wear a lot of wigs, and so instead of wearing a wig cap, I decided, you know what, I'm going to start using a do-rag. A do-rag is just the best. It's silk, and once you put this on your hair and you put your wig, it also protects your hair. It doesn't dry it out, it doesn't yank it out, it doesn't, so this is the best way to wear your do-rag and put your wigs on, and then you sterilize your Derma roll waiting for your tretinool and your minoxidil for evening. That is how I take care of my hair, guys. Bye, and let us watch for day 7. Bye bye.